Hello, Professor. Members of our group are Chuanqi, Xiaosheng, and Yuang. Our project is going to recognize the license plates in China. And the project is built based on OpenCV. The input of our project is the pictures of cars with license plates. So we first train an SVM model with the samples from OpenCV. This model is able to recognize the English words, numbers, and a few Chinese words, which are included in the Chinese license plates. And this model could recognize only one character once at a time. Then after reading the pictures, we should find the license plate area in the pictures. And our idea is to first find out all the rectangle areas in the pictures. But we should note that not all the pictures are taken from the straightforward of a car. So the shape of the license plate may not always be a rectangle. So codes here is going to adjust those school rectangles and make them into the correct rectangle areas. And then we get the length to width ratio of these areas. Since the length to width ratio of Chinese license plate is from 2 to 2.5, so we remove those rectangle areas that do not have the correct ratio. After this step, we may get several rectangle areas, and so we read the color of those areas. Since the color of Chinese license plate are usually blue, green, or yellow, so we then remove those areas without these three colors. After this step, we can get the correct rectangle area with the license plate. As just mentioned, our model is able to recognize only one character once at a time. So we should then segment the rectangle areas into some small areas which only include one character. And we get a horizontal histogram of the rectangle area and find the wave peaks. And the area with the peaks means that there is a character here. So we segment the rectangle vertically. Then we find the vertical histogram of the rectangle area to find the upper and lower edge of the license plate. Then we could get several small areas which include just one character. And we check if the number of those characters are fewer than 7, since the maximum character number of the Chinese license plate is usually 6 or 7. Then we could use our model to recognize the characters in these small areas and return the result. So here we could test our project, and in the first picture, the license plate includes E51619, and we could run this code, and the answer is E51619, and this is correct. And then we could also check the second picture, and this is AD77972, and there's a mistake here, but the other characters are correct. And then we could test this picture, and this is BX73030X. So yeah, the English character and the numbers are correct, but the Chinese character, you can find that there's also a mistake here. So we can find that our project could successfully recognize the English characters and the numbers, but since we do not have enough training data of the Chinese characters, there may be some mistakes when recognizing the Chinese character in the license plate. Okay, that's all. Thank you.